Last time on the Lazy Geckos, the bass in the BVI.
Would you like to walk in with some ears? Okay, cool.
Who was it that thought of the yachty?
I did.
Oh my gosh. Lipstick sucks. Sunrise and sunset workouts are the best. That was really, really cool. I would thrust the bow to port.
Now hold the power button down so it comes on. Try to do your stern thruster or something. All right, good.
Anytime. Yeah, we did it. How you liking it?
I love it. So fun.
I actually think this spot is really kind of cool.
What do you know about Cooper?
I think it's like beer. IPA. Happy hour 250. Oh, she's double fisting. So we're doing a glow party.
Good job on your t-shirt.
Thank you.
That's very creative.
Hey.
This is funny. Everybody like wiggle a little bit.
Wiggle,
there you go.
Our last night was spent at Joost Van Dyke with a bungalow party. This was a great way to end this visit.
Hey!
First mate in.
You're swab.
Going naughty in the suite. Yes, she is. The next morning, we sailed from Joost Van Dyke to Soper's Hole. Nikki and Stefan were headed out today. This is where we'll say our goodbyes.
Bye, Reese. See you, buddy.
Say bye.
Have a fun last day. Bye, guys.
He's lip syncing it. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah.
Good big girl.
Nice. She like walked the plank and everything.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Aww. Sweet. And now it's just us.
Amazing spot.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Right there.
The Indians. Nice job with the knot up there.
I'm getting much better. I just took a little bit of practice.
Oh, good.
Nicole and Kat, well, we just dropped Nikki off in Soper's. They caught a cab and they went through the whole ferry process to St. Thomas. But now they have a day just with us. This is so cool. We're gonna pull into a marina, but we had some time to kill, so the Indians, and we couldn't have got a better spot. And Nicole is now a professional mooring girl.
Yeah, I'm just gonna live on board now.
She has like her knots down and everything.
So you're gonna look some stuff up about the Indians?
I am.
I don't know why it's called the Indians.
Yeah.
Yes. The Indians were named because from a distance they were thought to resemble a Native American's headdress. We could already see so much marine life. This is going to be amazing. Our mooring ball alone is perfect, backed right up to the islands. Time to get in the water.
Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Crystal clear waters, marine life. There were so many cool little caves too. What else could you ask for?
Try to catch me howling at the moon. When it rains
Oh, that barracuda. Hop on up there. It's right under us. What'd you think of that snorkel spot?
Beautiful. What a great spot. The Indians and the BVI. That had to be the best snorkeling we've done at the BVI, I believe.
I think like the best snorkeling, one of the best spots ever.
Yeah. That'd be a great dive spot. Just didn't have the time to dive today, but that's okay. A lot of reefs. It's cool because it was all like, you know, it wasn't just like a little mound. You could like swim through things and it was nice.
It was awesome.
It's a cave. I thought you were gonna go for that cave.
I couldn't hold my breath because, you know, last night was a little crazy.
Hungover today?
Yeah, so I couldn't hold my breath. And that's another reason I didn't want to dive. It wasn't really about time. I just knew I felt a little claustrophobic.
Yeah, I got you.
So that was awesome. What did you learn from what I told you about the Indians? Do you remember?
Yeah, there was treasure there. They found treasure there.
$450,000 worth.
That's cool.
So the pirates used to bring it there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess they dived down and stuffed in the caves.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Well, we're doing a nice sail across the Sir Francis Drake Channel. It's a beautiful sail. The winds are at like 11. The cruise at 5 knots. It's beautiful.
Just our head sail?
No.
Oh, you got both sails out?
Sails, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's
So we're going into Nanny Key. We're gonna use that as our like provisioning area. It's gonna be good. Kevin and Nicole will be leaving tomorrow, unfortunately, but then after that we'll, you know, get groceries and do some maintenance on the engines, probably like some oil changes, stuff like that, and then we'll stay for into our weather window and then go.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm ready to move on to St. Martin.
St. Martin?
I think it's Martin, yeah.
St. Martin?
Yeah.
I know we have some friends down there that are like, get down here, it's beautiful. So, looking forward to it.
Have they texted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of pictures.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
See what these two are whipping up. What we got going on down here, guys, besides mimosas?
Well, lots of mimosas, but besides that, just some food for lunch and then marinating the chicken for later tonight too.
Nice.
Subs.
Italian subs, I love it.
Some cheese.
Lots of cheese.
Lots of cheese. We need to eat that up because I don't need those calories all to myself. Nice, thank you for cooking.
No problem.
We also got to visit Frenchtown Brewing on St. Thomas. If you're ever in the area, this beer is worth the visit.
Brown ale. That's at least a brown ale. It's 5%. It looks really dark, but it tastes light.
Done like a pro. Well, bye guys.
Bye.
Have a safe trip.
Miss you already.
Me too. We'll see you soon.
Very soon.
Yes.
All right, enjoy. Let me know you made it okay.
Are you ready for season 7? We are.
Little unsettling. We're about to take our passage. Sliding and then a thud. Booby Island. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, river tubing. You have your passport, right? We're like,
The exclusion zone. Take a journey, the volcano.
I don't want to jinx myself.